So guys, come with me. Let me show you exactly what could be responsible for that sound that is not coming out of your system. You pick your system, your laptop, and you are looking for sound. You are playing, you play a music, you play a video, and you discover that the sound is not coming out. There are two things involved, but before I will tell you, all you have to do is watch it till the end. Watch this video till the end. And if you are a first timer on this channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we'll be bringing things here that will help you fix your issues on your laptop and your mobile phone. So now, there could be two issues. One is either you have muted the laptop. Secondly, is either the drivers are weak or they are outdated. Now, there are actually three things actually. The last one is the one I'm going to show you here. If your system is muted, you go ahead and unmute it and make sure that this speaker sign here is on 100. It's on 100. Once it's on 100, it means you would have been hearing sound. But if the sound is not coming and here is up to 100 or 50, it's not 00, it means something else is wrong. Now, if your drivers are updated, now the next thing to do is what I'm about to show you. Now, this is it. You come here, you click on this sound sign, this speaker sign here. You right click it. Once you right click it, you come on sound. Look at it here. You come on sound. Once you click on sound, another thing will pop out. Once you click on sound, another thing will pop out. That is delaying it. All right, so it has come out here. Look at it here. So now that it's out, you see playback, you see recording, you see sound, see communication. So you go ahead and click on playback. Look at playback here. Once you click on playback, you see that my on is already checked on speakers slash headphones. It shows that if I play any sound, it's going to play out. So, but your on is going to be on. If your on is not coming out, it's going to be on this voice meter input or voice meter aux or input. It will be on it. So now let me even show you how it's going to be. I'll set it on default and then say okay. So if I go back and play any sound now, you see that the sound will not come out. Let me play it so that you hear. See that the sound is on, but you cannot hear it. You cannot hear it. This video I'm playing now is playing though, but you cannot hear it because of that setting I did. So that could be your case. So what you now do is let me pause it and go back. So I'll click on it, this sound here, open the tab again. So once I come back, I'll make sure I uncheck this place. I'll uncheck it and go back to speakers. Now let me put it on speakers slash headphones. I'll set it on set as default device. Set it on set as default device. So once you set it like that and then okay, always make sure that you okay it. Once you okay it and play this video now, you see that it will be talking.
So provide all your information.
Can you hear it?
So let me quickly sign in.
You see? So you can see that our video is playing and the sound is coming out.
And let's wait for then lifetime spent camera.
So that is just it. You can see that there is sound now. So like I said, always ensure that that place is checked. Once it's checked, you don't have a problem. And if you check it, like I'm saying, it's not a guarantee that once you check it, it's going to work. Why? Your drivers could be outdated. If your drivers are outdated, you need to update your drivers. But if your drivers is updated and this place is not muted, it means this is where the problem is. So you come here and make sure that this place is the one that is checked. Once this place is checked, you are good to go. You don't have a problem. So this is basically how to bring back sound on your system. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please do not go without subscribing to our YouTube channel because we are going to be bringing this kind of content here in laptop systems and phones, handsets, so that you can know how to quickly set some things without really needing to go to a repairer or something for you to fix your gadget. Thank you so much. Until I come your way again, have a lovely day. And please drop your thoughts in the comment. What your encounter about the sound on your system or any device so that we can fix it together. Thank you.